I am here in Istanbul, Turkey, and I am going to take you guys on the ultimate Turkish food tour. We're going to explore nearly 30 of the best foods, drinks, and desserts that Turkey has to offer, all found here in Istanbul. Today we're going to be looking at something that they call Balik Ekmek, which actually translates simply as fish bread. It's that simple, fish on bread. Right now, I'm at the tourist spot, the most popular place for tourists to come try Balik Ekmek and turşu suyu. Now, everybody comes here because of the appeal of the boats. They actually make the Balik Ekmek right on the boats, right behind us, and so it's kind of a cool experience. It's fun to come here, see the boats bobbing up and down in the water, and be able to eat your Balik Ekmek and your turşu suyu right here, just right on the water. But if you're feeling a little adventurous, I recommend you actually go right across the street and a few blocks over. If you do that, there's a spot that I know about that you can actually get a better quality Balik Ekmek, and not only is it a better quality, but they actually charge less. You can actually get a better quality fish sandwich, Turkish fish sandwich, for about 2/3 the price. So here we are at this other place across the street and a few blocks over from the fish boats. I highly recommend coming to this place over eating at the fish boats. As you can see, he was preparing the fish fresh versus the pre-made fish that they have cooked over there. Over there they cook something like 30 or 40 fish at a time because they have a lot of people coming through, a lot of traffic, so a lot of volume, and so they pre-cook it. So the fish is just not going to be as fresh over there. It's still fresh, it's still, caught daily, it's still gonna be good over there if you wanna eat over there. But seriously, why not just come across the street, get a fresher, better made sandwich for less? Over here, the Balik Ekmek is 10 Turkish lira and 3 Turkish lira for the turşu suyu. Over there, you're gonna be paying 15 for the Balik Ekmek and 5 for the turşu suyu. And so you're saving a little bit of money, It's significant enough. And me, I'm traveling on a budget. I want to save as much as I can so that I can travel as much as I can. So any chance that I get to save a little bit of money and get better quality food, I'm going to take it. So yeah, check this out. This is way better. Over there, it's super, super basic. It's bread, it's fish, it's a little bit of onion, and then you can put your own lemon juice on it, and that's about as good as it gets over there. Over here, you see how fresh this fish is, you see this lettuce, they just pile on these onions, and then they've got some kind of little bit of a picante chili sauce on there as well. Well worth it to come over here. So let's dig into this. Oh, that chili sauce is just phenomenal, and that's, I think that's the thing that makes a really big difference. Over there, they aren't going to put any kind of sauce on your sandwich. Over here, check that out. Those little red flakes that you see right in there, that's that flavorful chili sauce that gives it that perfect little kick to that sandwich. That is a damn good fish sandwich. It might sometimes be made with some other types of oily fish, but traditionally it's going to be made with mackerel. And mackerel is the kind of fish that it's got to be fresh. It has to be fresh in order for it to be good. You can tell even the bread is fresher. Over there it's going to be a little bit crustier. Get it better, get it fresher. Fresher bread, fresher fish. So that's the Balik Ekmek. This is one of the must-try foods when you come to Turkey.